Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the weekly project meeting. It is August 24th, and we've got a great set of updates coming to you today. Before we get started, I wanted to open today's meeting with an acknowledgement of the difficult transition Mozilla is going through, and I want to briefly share with you all some of my thoughts and feelings about the 250 people who recently lost their jobs. First, they're all Mozillians, the brightest and most dedicated people in our industry. Each and every one of them gave of themselves to advance Mozilla's mission, to ensure the internet's a place we can all benefit from and enjoy. And 250 people are leaving Mozilla's employment, not because they lacked commitment or ability, not because they were insufficient in any way at all. They're leaving because Mozilla simply could not afford to continue operating at the size it has been. So I want to personally thank all those departing for helping to make the internet better. And I want to say cheers, and I wish every one of you the best of luck. You are no doubt going through some tough challenges right now, but know that you are all Mozillians, and the broader Mozilla community is here to help. And that includes helping you engage and participate in whatever capacity you may wish to explore in the future. Again, thank you for your service to the Mozilla mission. So what does being about 850 full-time employees rather than 1,100 mean for Mozilla and Firefox? First, it means we're going to do somewhat less than we did before. Now, I'm optimistic that we'll be more focused and more efficient, and that we'll see more contributions, and that we'll do it better than we've done it in the past. But we're no doubt going to do a bit less. Now, does doing a bit less mean that, for example, MDN is dead? No, absolutely not. Here's some of what the MDN Web Docs team had to say recently. First, we want to be clear, MDN is not going away. The core engineering team will continue to run the MDN site, and Mozilla will continue to develop the platform. We believe in the value of MDN Web Docs as a premier web developer resource. On the internet, we are currently planning how to move MDN forward long-term, and will develop this new plan in close collaboration with our industry partners and community members. You can read the full post and update on MDN Web Docs at the Hacks blog. Does doing less mean that Firefox DevTools is going away? Again, no, from the DevTools team. Hi friends, Firefox developer tools will not be going away. We are a smaller team and we'll share more details later when we have them. The point I want to make is that we're not going away and we're not ending our commitments to core Mozilla projects, but we are going to be moving at a different pace in some areas and reprioritizing others. For example, we'll be accelerating projects in Firefox, including our Gecko Web Platform efforts, and we'll be accelerating community and product innovation areas. There will be lots more information about this in the coming weeks, and we'll be bringing some of it to you through this meeting with our product updates and other short talks, so please stay tuned. With that, let's get to the meeting agenda and our calendar of events. This week, on Wednesday, August 25th, we have an installment of the Homebrew Website Club. The Homebrew Website Club is a growing worldwide network of online weekly meetups for everyone who wants to take back their web experience from social media silos and own their online identities, content, and interactions. It's happening at 6 p.m. Pacific time on August 26th for the West Coast. There's a link for more information in the agenda. And with the calendar done, we are going to move on to our speaker for the day. Our sole speaker is staff software engineer Jared Wine with the weekly Firefox update. Jared, take it away.
Thanks, Asa. Firefox 79 is our current stable release. Firefox 80 will ship to our stable release audience tomorrow, Tuesday, August 25th. As of this morning, Firefox 81 is now in the beta channel. In its final week of nightly changes, Firefox 81 received about 380 fixes, including these notable ones. Firefox's PDF viewer was updated to match the Photon look and feel. Also for PDFs, form filling was enabled on nightly and early beta. Mouse wheel scrolling should feel faster and more closely match the speed of other browsers. I'd like to add a note that that change, while added here, mentioned here, is being reworked and focused for 82. The new printing experience received a bunch of fixes. The Firefox native video and audio controls are now accessible to screen reader users. WebRender has been enabled for more systems. and Gecko now supports the Forced Colors media feature. Also, as of this morning, the nightly version bump to 82 was completed successfully, and the soft freeze is now lifted. Mozilla Central is open for business. Thank you to everybody who's contributed to Firefox 81. It looks to be a great release, and I'll pass it back to you, Asa.
Thanks, Jared. Also looking forward to the Firefox 81 release. I'll do a quick refresh to see if anything new has come on the agenda. It does not look like it. So with that, we are all wrapped up for the week. Have a great week, everyone. We'll see you same time, same place next week. Until then, keep on rocking the free web.